Hey everyone, in this video we are going to add this Dovetail kit to this DCP Stepdeck so you can haul cool loads and have ramps that flip down and ramps up here. What you're going to need to do this project are a pair of side cutters. This is my favorite glue in the whole wide world. Instaset is optional, but I recommend it. A piece of rod and sandpaper. Obviously you need the Stepdeck assembly. That's all you need to get this project underway. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is remove all the parts from the wire. Now the sandpaper comes in. I'm just sanding the part where the wire was attached smooth. Right here, some of the wire removed and left a little groove in the bottom of the Stepdeck. If you want, you can fill that up with body filler. It's purely your choice. However, it is going to be on the bottom. You're not going to see it, so it's entirely optional. Next, I like to assemble the ramps and then paint. Test fit before you go to assemble. Do not force these. That's not worth it. Oftentimes you can break these even though you can see how thick those are, those hinge points. Don't force it. With your sandpaper, come in and sand on both sides until they fit easily. Just like that. Do that to all three parts. Use the rod to attach the ramps to the Stepdeck. Use a little glue on one side. I used a little too much glue, so we're going to wipe off the excess. A little Instaset to ensure the rod doesn't come out. Now we use our side cutter to cut off the excess rod. Now all these parts are ready for paint. I like to go ahead and wipe them down with rubbing alcohol, and then once the rubbing alcohol is evaporated off, prime and paint the color of choice. Here my Dovetail is now painted. I used aluminum paint to match the deck of the trailer. You can use whatever color you wish. These tabs right here have corresponding slots on the trailer, and all you have to do is add a little glue and then match those slots to the tabs. Make sure those tabs are flush with the top of the trailer, and you are ready for Instaset. If you want, you can add more glue in here as you wish. I'm not going to be playing with this or using it. It's going to be a static piece on my layout. Therefore, I'm not really too concerned about extra glue. Now you're ready for the ramps for the Stepdeck. You can leave them loose or you can glue them in place. For this project, I'm going to glue them in place. Now you're ready to haul loads as you wish. You can buy this Dovetail kit at rockinghfarmtoys.com along with your side cutters, glue, Instaset, and other tools that you might need to go make awesome projects. Now, you go make something awesome. Thanks for watching.